Wha Gwann, everybody. This morning we are in the hills, we're in Irish Town. We're at Cafe Blue. David is inside getting some coffee. We ordered some coffee, iced coffee. They needed to get going, but you know, Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee is something that is very dear and special to us. So we're about to get some coffee, and then we're going to head next door and see what kind of Jamaican breakfast we can get. We have to start them off right. Man can't come Jamaica and we gotta give them some foreign food for breakfast and them thing. Let's go.
I'm buying already.
Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee can claim its origins from the 18th century. In 1723, French King Louis XV sent 3 coffee plants to Martinique, a French colony. 5 years later, in 1728, Sir Nicholas Laws, governor of Jamaica, received a gift of 1 coffee plant from the governor of Martinique. And the rest is history. To be called Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, it must be grown at altitudes of up to 1800 meters in the parishes of Portland, St. Andrew, St. Mary, or St. Thomas.
Getting nervous, getting nervous. Where do I get it? Here.
Alright.
Blue Mountain's known for the coffee that produces up here, some of the best coffee in the world, but also they have pastries and stuff inside Cafe Blue. And beside there's Crystal Edge that have ACKEE saltfish and corned pork, and nothing no sweeter than that. We have to go have some breakfast on the channel. It's been a while since we eat some breakfast on the channel, so ACKEE and saltfish and corned pork coming up after this. Thank you.
By the way, I love the terrace. Incredible.
Where are you sitting?
The space inside is so small, and you
Sitting
come out
right
here and
on
you're
the
like,
edge.
wow.
Right here?
Yeah, on the edge. One of
Right
these
on the
spots.
edge.
Hello. Can't wait.
I hit the spot.
It's like a frappe.
Yeah, it's like you've been chugging.
So good. I love it. They put the whipped cream on top.
Yeah. Just mix it right up with that little other coffee on top as well. Get on in there. Yeah, man.
Cinnamon. Oh wow. I'm gonna also try it just regular. That's how Nate got it.
Yeah.
But this is nice. This is
Have
like a
another one
slushy.
in there. This is perfect wake up for me.
This is actually the best iced coffee of my life. Thank you so much.
You've been saying that a lot in Jamaica.
Dude, what do you mean? How many times have I said it? I haven't said it that many times.
Said about the fried bread.
That was amazing. But for that thing, you know?
For that thing.
I mean,
but iced coffee.
Iced coffee, so I never get ice. I get just cold brew now.
Yeah.
But like for me, frappe like in Greece.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
This, I usually get a cappuccino. French vanilla and flavors or something like that. But this iced coffee, it's on the hit list.
Oh man, Cafe Blue,
Trust me.
come here. This is good coffee, dude. I'm so happy.
Can't come to the Blue Mountains and not try some Blue Mountain coffee. and support local companies as well, Jamaican companies such as Cafe Blue that have their farm, grow it in the Blue Mountain and produce it here. You good with that?
I love it.
We don't teach about food yet, but food is grown produce. So basically yams, potatoes, boiled green bananas and stuff like that. We don't call it by the name of it, we just say food.
Food.
Yeah, man.
So it's like provisions.
Provisions.
Got it.
Yeah, man.
Well, I'm excited, bro. Let's make this day start.
Yeah, man.
I need to wake up.
This will pep you up.
Sugary.
Rubber cheese.
Taste of Miami right here.
Yeah, man.
Let's see the inside.
Inside,
You don't see
little
it?
flaky dough right there. And then you can't see too much there.
So right down on the terrace and next door to Cafe Blue is Crystal Edge restaurant where you can get a breakfast early. We're getting some ACKEE, saltfish and corned pork, and we're going to get some food which is a ground provision with that as well, and boiled dumpling is a must. Sorry. No,
I see you
you're good.
completely though.
I hope you're good.
Yeah, well, hold on, one sec. And here we go, the national dish of Jamaica. Incredible. So it looks, like you said, it looks like scrambled eggs, but it's not scrambled
Definitely
eggs.
not scrambled eggs. Totally different, totally more flavorful, totally more unique.
It's a massive plate.
Yeah, man.
Look at this. So in there's the ACKEE, the saltfish, then on the sides we have the plantain. Over here, this is another plantain, like.
No, that is a dumpling, a boiled dumpling.
it's a
So
dumpling.
that's just flour that's been mixed up and boiled.
Perfect.
And that is a boiled plantain as well. Sweet potato.
So before we start, let's take a photo. Quick photo. National dish, I think, is like necessary.
Yeah.
Maybe
Tilt it down?
I tilt it down like that.
Okay. There you go. Money.
Money shot.
The cool thing is that sauce will look good on this yellow food.
Yeah, I can move that.
Yeah. With this.
I'm done.
I'm born ready.
You're born ready.
Come on. What do you think?
I mean, yeah, it's not scrambled eggs. So this
No,
is
not at
fruit
all.
with saltfish.
This is fruit, but you can taste that it's been sauteed with onions, little garlic. So it's been with also Scotch bonnet pepper. You see yours peeping out right there on the side. So all of that has been spiced up onto it with a little onions, not onions, sorry, scallion and thing in there. So it adds flavor to it as well. So it's not bland at all, and it has a sweet condensation.
Nice oily. A little fluffy too.
Yeah, man. But smooth.
Smooth.
You can actually make, as you said, you can actually make it into almost like a butter, not a jam really, but into a paste to put it on stuff as well.
Like on toast.
Yeah, on toast.
Oh, it's a fantastic. I think it's a unique flavor profile.
Yeah, man.
The saltfish, and you would think that's eggs. That's not eggs.
That is ACKEE.
That is ACKEE.
You have to come bring out the Jamaican accent, man. ACKEE.
ACKEE.
Yeah, man. ACKEE.
ACKEE.
And you added little corn pork onto it.
This guy?
That's the corn pork.
Corn pork.
Corn pork.
Stir.
Yeah, man.
Looks more like beef jerky.
Yeah, this one, what happened is they fry it down. So it's corned at first and then they fry it down. And yeah, man, load it on. So some people like it crispy, where it's fried till it's crispy. Some people like it where it still has a little chew.
Alright.
Try some of the corn pork now with this.
together.
Or you can try it by yourself. Sweet and savory.
Sweet, savory.
Yeah, man.
A little bit of fat in there.
Yep. Flavored.
It's like bacon.
It is. It's like Jamaican bacon from pork.
The best bacon. Whoa. This is like the best bacon, dude.
Yeah, man. It totally.
It's sweet.
It's sweet, but it still has that saltiness from the corning process.
Look at that. So good. Chunky. Like, whew.
Yeah, man. Gets in there.
It does have that jerk consistency. Tough. But then you get in, gets soft.
Depending on how you like it. As I said, people will fry it until it's crispy. Some people like it just like this with a light fry on it. Some people like it boiled and then put into the food as well.
And next to it we have the dumpling.
You have a boiled dumpling.
Wha Gwann.
Yeah, man.
Could you talk about the dumpling for just a second?
The flour. Dumpling is a staple in society because it's a cheap way of filling your belly. So it's just flour that has been kneaded down with little water, little salt, and boiled. And this is more time what we call this is like a cartwheel. When you get a big dumpling, then we call it like a push cart. You know, push cart. From the Bob said Sanka that you've been talking about, the push cart races. You know the wheels on the push cart. That's how big we like the dumplings. So we call
like
it
that massive,
like that massive wheel on it.
I mean, they're dense. Like,
Yeah, man, a cartwheel dumpling.
Look at this. So dense. It's an easy belly filler. And it's affordable.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing. We
Stop a gap.
You know how many countries have dumpling as their national dish?
Yeah, man.
It's like 50, bro.
Yeah. Asia as well have a lot.
A lot. This is a flour dumpling.
Flour dumpling, straight flour dumpling. We also, some people use cornmeal in them. The Rastas will use whole wheat.
Got it.
I make the dumpling.
So I've had two different variations in a lot of countries in like Ukraine. Yeah, so they'll have the whole wheat ones and then they'll have the regular flour. Same thing in Bhutan. A lot of dumplings.
I guess everybody is pretty much the same, and I tell people all the time that just because it's different doesn't mean it's wrong. We just have different,
different influences.
That's it. It doesn't have much salt. It has flavor, but the saltfish itself, no need to add any extra salt or seasoning to it. Use natural seasonings, the onion, the scallion, the garlic in it with the Scotch bonnet pepper, and that just flavors it.
Yeah, Scotch bonnet pepper like adds that heat.
Make everything better. That is a man that going to deal with some dumpling right there. When you see it cut it up like that, some people would add a little butter to it.
Oh yeah.
But you have ACKEE, which is the butter.
That's what I wrong.
You have DAVIDSBEENHERE hot sauce.
This is a pine and ginger juice. So pineapple with ginger in there. Jamaica is known for the potency of the ginger. We grow some of the best ginger in the world.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
It's amazing.
Intense, right?
So the ginger beer I had last night.
Yeah, ginger beer, that did have a whole heap of ginger, I'm sure. Refreshing.
So refreshing. Wow. So pungent. It hits you, that ginger. I'll tell you. The food is awesome, but the view can't be beat.
That's what I said. Might as well we come here and come explore the mountains, get some national dish, get some coffee up in the Blue Mountains. You can't beat that.
Well.
I'm gonna get this
Coffee, ACKEE and saltfish with corn pork in Irish Town, Blue Mountain and Crystal Edge. It's just an experience. The drive alone coming up here is phenomenal. The people are amazing. It's just part of Jamaica that we have to enjoy. Full Jamaica land we love. Thanks again here.
Thanks so much. Thank you. Take care.
Alright guys. How was your ACKEE experience?
Oh dude, it was awesome.
You liked it?
Even better with the DAVIDSBEENHERE.
I was wondering when you were going to say.
No, it was awesome.